I mean, I don't know who decreed that art should just be something that you nail up on a wall. I don't see it.
You would have to put together a cast of about a dozen women to come up with one Tina.
She invented the Harlequin glasses.
Got to tell you, I think I'm in love with Tina. Rob would think, of course you're in love with Tina. Everyone's in love. Every man is in love with Tina.
I think the money was very nice for her to have, but I don't think it made her the person she was.
How many husbands did she have? 3? Oh, my God.
Teeny's window trimming was very fulfilling for her, but it was a way for her to feel useful in life.
She was considered very much a bohemian, and that was not a favorable, that did not have favorable connotations in my mother's and Victoria's view of things.
And then one day I was walking from a movie with some guy, I don't remember his name, and I passed a shop of an optician, and I saw this oil painting with glasses glued onto the face. And I thought, that is really so ugly. And then Dorothy Parker was writing verses, men never make passes at girls that wear glasses. And I thought, well, something better could be done than just these awful glasses that looked like the time of Benjamin Franklin. Then I thought, well, what's good? What would be good on a face? And I thought of a mask, a harlequin mask, because they really beautify a face.
The shape came from masks that she saw in Venice. You know, they always go around, and they still do today, around Carnival time. They wear these masks with feathers and plumes and so on, and they sort of always come up in a shape. And I really think that that's how it came. She started doing them paper cut, and she felt, I think I'm onto something here.
And I first went to the big companies, the American Optical, Bausch & Lomb. There was another company called Ray-Ban. And, you know, I had the same reaction. Of course, I didn't see the top people. And they'd say to me, well, when we're ready to sell eyeglasses to lunatic asylums, we'll let you know. And finally, I went to a shop called Lou Jeans on Madison Avenue. It was a very fancy shop. And I spoke to the head salesman, and he said, this waved me aside. And you know how accidental life is. At that moment, the owner of the shop, Mr. Lugine, came in, and he saw the photograph, and he said, come with me. So I went with him to his office, and he really liked them. He said, I really think you have something. So then he said, I'd like exclusive on these for at least 6 months. So I said, absolutely. I mean, I had no other offers.
They took off. Much to her surprise, the whole thing took off in a grand way.
And I got quite a lot of publicity. And then I won the prize, Lord and Taylor Prize, for the National Design Award of the Year.
And the Harlequin glasses, a woman could keep the eyeglasses on and keep her hair up and still look chic. Peggy Guggenheim wore Harlequin eyeglasses.
I thought they were dead ugly. But that didn't matter. If it made some money, that's good. Not that she needed money, but it gave her a pizzazz. She would sell the glasses, not to compete with the fellas. They'd sell their glasses. She'd sell hers.
Women who had to wear glasses, who felt that they were diminished in some way by the fact that they had to wear glasses, no longer felt diminished because the glasses became part of their beauty.